In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align elements right in Miro. Miro is a versatile digital collaborative whiteboard tool that allows teams to work creatively and efficiently on projects. Mastering the alignment features within Miro can enhance the visual appeal and structure of your board, ensuring that your ideas and content are presented clearly. Aligning elements right is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to start by selecting the object or group of objects that you want to align to the right. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the element on your Miro board that you wish to highlight. You'll notice a selection box appear around the chosen object, indicating that it's ready for manipulation. If you have multiple elements you wish to align, hold down the Shift key while selecting each additional item. This step is crucial because any alignment changes will only apply to the selected components. So make sure you have all the necessary elements encompassed within your selection. Next, once you've successfully highlighted the object or group of objects you want to work with, look towards the top of your Miro interface for the toolbar, where you'll see various formatting options. Among these, find the Align Objects button. This icon might show 3 vertically stacked lines or a similar symbol indicating alignment options. Click on this to unveil a drop-down menu with several alignment choices. It's here that you're going to find the options that will let you adjust the positioning of your selected elements efficiently. From the drop-down menu, you have a range of options to choose from, but for the purpose of this tutorial, you're going to focus on the Align Right option. Click on Align Right. You will see your selected elements instantaneously shift to line up along the rightmost boundary of their current container or relative to the farthest right object of the selection. This process visually organizes your elements and can be particularly useful for maintaining layout consistency and ensuring that your board looks polished and professional. Remember, using the alignment tools in Miro as part of your routine makes your work clean and visually appealing, helping create a uniform look across projects. Consistent alignment practices not only improve aesthetics, but also enhance readability and comprehension, which is especially important when presenting your work to team members or stakeholders. There you have it. Your elements are now aligned perfectly to the right. Practicing these steps will make you more efficient and your boards more organized, allowing you to communicate ideas more effectively within Miro. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other alignment options and experiment to see what aligns best with your personal style and project needs.